Hi, and welcome to my channel. I do thank you in advance for clicking on this platform. Just wanted to share with you some of my Mother's Day journals I created on the KDP platform on Amazon. So I did create these especially for Mother's Day on the KDP platform on Amazon. And if you would like, you can click on the descriptions to find out more. So the links for each of these journals, there are 5, is located in the description. It would take you directly to the journal so you can find out more information. And if you have any questions on how I created these journals, you can just leave me a message in the comment section. With Mother's Day being just around the corner, you will want to find out more information on these journals that I have created on the KDP Amazon platform. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and share. Bye.